Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I filmed this eye look. I think it's kind of crazy for me. There are corals, purples, blues. I even use a concealer to cut my crease. I mean, it's everything. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I know I want to do a coral and blue eye look, but I am actually going to try to make it as wearable as possible because I have to go out today. So to start things off, I am taking my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to take the shade Eden, which is this one, on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to fluff this into my crease, well above my crease, as a transition shade. So now that we have beautifully blended in a bright peachy color as a transition, I'm going to go to another Huda Beauty palette. This is the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take this shade here on a brush like so, and I'm just going to tap it in. Not super much because this is super pigmented, and I'm going to place this shade below that transition shade. Now, and I do want this color very intense, so I'm going to slowly build it up. I'm going to go back to the first brush that I used and just softly blend out the edges. And back to that coral shade again, and just intensifying it one blend at a time. So now I am staying with my Warm Obsessions palette. I'm going to go into this shade on a angled fluffy brush, and I am just going to kind of line my lower lash line, but kind of placing it on the outer corner. You'll see as I do it. Need some depth in this look, and that coral shade was not giving it to me. Taking this brush and taking that coral shade again and just blending out the edges. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have both of our eyes done, I am going to take my Colourpop concealer in the shade Fair 08, and I'm going to take a brush like this, and we are going to cut that crease. I don't necessarily want to, cut it to have structure. I want to cut it so that our shimmer shade that we're going to be put on is going to stand out. So I'm taking this on the brush and I'm just gonna wing it and see what happens. So you saw what I did. I placed a little bit of concealer here and I closed my eye, like moved my lid up to see where my cut crease should end. I'm going to take my finger and tap at the edges. So now I'm going to take my brush like this, and I'm going to go into my Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to take the shade Desert Sand and set that concealer. Kind of nice. And now I'm going to take this Lime Crime Pocket Candy palette with colors like this, and on my finger I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to place it on top of that concealer. Okay, and to tie everything back together, I'm going going to go back to my Warm Obsessions palette, taking my coral shade and blending out the harsh edge on top. I am also going to take the angled brush, going back into this shade, and I'm going to fix the outer corner. And now off to the other eye. Okay, you guys, so our top eyelids are actually done. So now onto the exciting part. I am going to go back to the Lime Crime palette, and I am actually going to take this shade on a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to fluff this on my lower lash line. Personally, I am not a fan of Lime Crime. However, my friend gave me this palette and I thought the colours are very cute, and they actually came in, oh, am I blinding you? And they actually came in super handy today. So forgive me if you are not a fan or you don't support Lime Crime. Neither do I, but I just thought these colours will work well with today's eye look, and I'm sure you can find other companies that have the same colors. I'm actually going to take this brush that I had the coral shade on, and I'm going to smudge out the edges with that coral shade just a little bit, just to tie it with our crazy top eyeshadow. And now I'm going to take a flat definer brush, and I'm going to go into this shade, this beautiful cobalt blue shade, and I'm going to press this along my lower lash line. And I'm just going to blend this out a little bit with that blue shade. For the star of the show, I'm going to take the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade 22 Turquoise. And I'm going to place this on my waterline. Okay, and for my top lash line, I'm just going to take a black liner. This is the Essence one, the gel liner. To tie everything up, I'm going to apply my mascara. The one that I'm using at the moment is the Fully Charged Mascara by Pure. And let me show you the wand. This mascara is okay, not a fan of it, but I have to use it up. So let me put my mascara on and I'll be right back. And so this is the complete look. I did my lips as well. I used the Barry M lip liner in Pose. I used the Rodial Suede lips in the shade Big Apple, and I also used the Colourpop X KathleenLights lip gloss in the shade Moonchild. So yeah, that is it. I think this is such a fun eye look. Please forgive my boyfriend. He's taking a shower while I'm recording because he's such an asshole. So yeah, never mind that. This is my take on like a crazy summer eye look featuring, you know, like corals and blues, because why not? So yeah, thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this look and would like to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also comment down below what looks you want me to create. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!